This is our ALUMACRAFT Pro175. It's 17 foot 5 inches long and has an 84-inch beam. The boat is rated for 4 persons and up to 90 horsepower. We keep several motors in stock, Yamaha and Mercury. The boat in this video is rigged with the Yamaha 70 horsepower 4-stroke. The price on this boat includes the trolling motor. This boat has 2 live wells, one in the front one in the rear, 2 huge rod lockers, one on each side in the front, tackle storage in the rear deck, storage under the seats, a built-in 20-gallon fuel tank, a trim switch in the bow, a courtesy light, a live well drain valve, an aerated live well that works on auto or manual, a tack, speedometer, and the built-in graph. Now let's take it to the lake.